Hello everyone, my name is Livhuwani Khobo from MEMSA office. First of all, I would like to thank the Mandela Mining Precinct for offering me this opportunity to make this presentation today. I'm going to be presenting on the role of MEMSA cluster in driving innovation and technology development. This is the outline of my presentation. I'm going to take you through the introduction. I'll also take you through the programs that we run at MEMSA. I will also give an illustration on MEMSA's involvement in technology development. I'll also go through the SAMEDI programs and technology challenges, the test mine development, the Tera online database. I'll also cover the 4IR series that we hosted, as well as the MEMSA 4IR group meetings. I'll also talk about the Mineral Councils of South Africa and MEMSA CARES workshop that we hosted, including the Mining Health and Safety Council workshops. And then I'll cover the conclusion. Just to start, as a brief, our society is now being reshaped by rapid advances in innovation and technology. As we know that now we are looking at the likes of automation, the likes of Internet of Things, and so forth and so forth. Innovation plays a critical role in the mining industry as a tool to improve efficiency. So we as a cluster, we are encouraging the innovation, the creation and expansion of new technologies. How MEMSA clusters is involving or is being involved in the technology development. I just give an overview of the things or programs that I'm going to focus on, as I've alluded on the outline. So I'll go each by each. The first one is the SAMEDI programs and technology challenges. MEMSA has been involved in the SAMEDI six programs that we have in the precinct, particularly in the longevity of current mines and mechanized mining programs. These programs has brought challenges such as the Easy Dingo drill challenges. The challenge was opened to designers from across the countries in South Africa and from different industries, including mining, construction, and so forth and so forth. The two new rock drill prototype were designed, and we were fortunate that two members from MEMSA, they had progressed through the challenge and they are now in advanced testing and final development. We are grateful for such involvement. And then these whole programs, or the reason why we are involved in these programs, it is to advance the drilling operation and to reduce the exposure of operators to dangerous condition. As we know that mining are harsh, and then now the ore bodies are very narrow to a point that we need technology to advance to the new processes. Lastly, there's a new challenge that is around innovation or innovating technology for remote charging in platinum mines. So our members are going to be participating as well. Now looking at the test mine development, MEMSA has participated in the feasibility study that was commissioned by the precinct for the establishment of the test mine. We know that the test mine is being a missing link wherein our industry can test their prototype and latest technologies. This test mine, they will assist in alleviating the risk that come from trialing new technologies and processes. Currently, there's a low-risk testing that is going to commence at the test mine. Of course, it's going to be subject to risk assessments. Now looking at the second point is the Tera, the Technology Availability and Readiness Atlas. This is the online database that is designed to allow the local OEMs in order to showcase their commercially available technologies. The Tera platform is positioned to foster the modernization and mechanization of mining in South Africa. It is designed to allow OEMs to upload their own equipment, their technical specifications, images, according to the set data fields. MEMSA members have already uploaded various equipments. If you go and look at the website that is shown there, the miningtara.co.za, you are going to find a lot of equipment that our members have uploaded. MEMSA is currently working with the precinct in order to improve the interface and then the additional functionalities to the online platform. Just to show you the looks of the Tera platform, this is how the Tera looks. If you go on the link that I've presented on the previous slide, this is what you're going to see. So I'm not going to speak much about this, but then I just wanted to show you, how our Tera database looks like. And that Tera database is now live, and it's only available now for MEMSA members. We are working so that other people can also join at a later stage. I'm now looking at the 4IR webinar series and then the 4IR group meetings that we hosted. We hosted various webinar series. The first one was looking at the recent developments on the RTIMS programs. The RTIM programs is the real-time information management system programs that is run by JJ at the precinct here. The second webinars were focusing on the content and drivers for IR in the mining supply chain. The third webinar that we hosted was focusing on the conversations and concept. The purpose of this whole engagement that we hosted, it is to engage and find areas of collaboration with members and other partners across the mining sector. We have recorded these webinars. They are available for members and partners and those who are interested in the recordings. The Mineral Council South Africa and MEMSA hosted a workshop on collision avoidance systems. This workshop was a consultative workshop on the case. The case is the collision avoidance systems. The objective was mainly just to obtain inputs from the local OEMs and PDS and case suppliers around the development and implementation of collision avoidance technologies. Two of our members, Boyko and Femel, they've demonstrated the level of technology maturity amongst the South African suppliers. MEMSA agreed to participate in the Transport Safety Leadership Forum and the technical group as proposed by the Minerals Council. So this shows that in South Africa, we are capable of producing local OEMs. We also hosted the Mine and Health Safety Council workshop. This workshop was focusing on the winches and accessories and trackless mobile machineries. MEMSA participated in these two technology workshop hosted by the MHSC. We were given a slot to present on a new safety innovation and improvements in the safe use of our equipment. We know that there have been a lot of death in the mining in the past, but then now we are trying to just improve our equipment in order to bring equipments that are safe to use in the mine, especially in the underground setting. FEMEL have made a presentation, an excellent presentation on safety mechanism within an LHD, and a prospective member WPD group. They've demonstrated a novel application of proximity detection to winches. The presentation demonstrated the local OEM perspective on improving health and safety through technology advances, because we know that technology now is improving the safety and efficiency in the mine, especially the underground, as I've alluded. Coming to the conclusion, the mining sector needs to foster innovation in order to remain competitive. The integrating technological innovation into its practice, it can result into a reduced cost, increased productivity, and improved worker safety for the mining sector as a whole. The creation of collaboration initiatives, it remains a key to success. MEMSA is one of the meaningful voice in relation to promoting local OEMs and technologies. Through networking within the clusters and within outside firms, members have identified and realized a number of opportunities for collaboration on technology development and manufacturers. Thank you so much for this opportunity.